Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi food. First, gather your essential ingredients, including sushi rice, nori sheets, and your favorite fresh fish or vegetables. Next, prepare your sushi rice by rinsing it thoroughly until the water runs clear, then cook it according to package directions. Finally, ensure your bamboo rolling mat and a sharp knife are clean and ready for use. Once your rice is cooked, gently fold in a seasoning mixture of rice vinegar, a small amount of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Allow it to cool to room temperature. While the rice cools, prepare your fillings. Slice fresh fish, like salmon or tuna, into strips about 1/4 inch thick. Cut vegetables such as cucumber or avocado into similar thin pieces. Now for the fun part, rolling. Place a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo mat. Spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving the top edge clear. Arrange your prepared fish and vegetables neatly across the center of the rice. Using the mat, carefully roll the sushi tightly, applying gentle, even pressure as you go. To finish, wet a very sharp knife before each cut to prevent the rice from sticking. Slice your sushi roll into 6 to 8 uniform pieces, each about 1 inch thick. This ensures a perfect bite every time. Remember to check the description below for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other fantastic deals. Serve your delicious homemade sushi immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.